Hi everyone, I'm here with 3 minutes Photoshop. In this video we learn how to use vanishing point in Photoshop. Instead of using transform, go to the layer of the text, right click, rasterize layer, menu bar, filter, vanishing point, highlight the area, press Ctrl V to insert the text, use the transform to change the scale, click on layer of the text, in blend modes, choose soft light, then menu bar, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, drag the radius slider until you are satisfied with the amount of blur. I hope you enjoyed this video.